Lord. Just finished my workout. I feel so good. Kind of nauseous because that was so freaking hard. There was a ladder in there of 4 moves. And the way that the ladders work in Rachel Goodeat's program is you go 2 of each move, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 10, then 8, then 6, then 4, then 2. Oh my God, I am so wiped, especially because one of the moves was 4 mountain climbers to 1 push-up, and that's 1. So at the highest point of the ladder, that's 40 mountain climbers and 10 push-ups, and then you do that round again. So that's literally 80 mountain climbers and 20 push-ups. Just for the 10s of the ladder, my arms are toast. Oh my God. That felt so good though, although I will say the only thing that sucks about doing a really hard workout today for me is I showered yesterday and I like really don't want to have to wash my hair again. I'm gonna use a little rag and like try and get all the sweat out of my hair so that I ideally do not need to wash my hair again today. But whew, God, that felt so good. So now I'm gonna take a very quick shower and dive back into work. I have my makeup done and I just recorded a little Insta story for Now Marketing Group to promote that we're going to San Diego so that we can connect with people when we're in San Diego at the conference next week, and also just do a little engagement kind of story because I was just pulling our analytics, saw some great metrics and had an idea for how to spark a conversation with our community. So just made that content for now. And also, oh my gosh, I'm crossing the last thing off my list. So I'm gonna get to move on to my Thursday list,
which feels so good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's a productive day and it's sunny out, which is so nice. How's your day going?
Busy. The call I was just on, I don't know if you heard all the talking I was doing, but somebody was like, oof, you're a busy man. There's like 8 announcements coming out of my function. Fun stuff, but it's why we do the work. It's exciting.
Amen. And I'll be out of your hair. You can really, really focus extra next week.
It'll be lonely. Me and Guido will wallow in our sadness. We'll just watch golf. Sports.
Sports! Go sports!
Team.
Go team! I just got more work done. I'm taking a little break to watch Apollo from Na, and I just checked my personal email and saw that one of my items on Poshmark sold. I'm so happy, literally so excited. Selling a pair of Lululemon leggings. I'm gonna make 16 bucks, and I already dropped off a different item that I sold on Poshmark earlier this week. So I made like 25 bucks through Poshmark this week. Shit. Oh, good thing this thing just went off. Okay, I'm gonna go. Someone's coming to buy this tripod.
Oh, bummer, I was gonna use that.
No, you weren't.
It really was.
Really?
Yeah.
For what?
I don't know.
What? Matt's fucking with me. I'm gonna go sell this tripod for 20 bucks. Making money this week. Just made $20 selling this little tripod that I hadn't used for years. And that, the 20 bucks on top of the 7 bucks I made for the Poshmark order that I shipped out on Monday, plus the leggings that I just sold on Poshmark, that's $43 made this week. Stuff that I literally wasn't even using. So let this video be the video that inspires you to use Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark to try to sell the things that are sitting in your home that you don't want anymore, that are just taking up space. Make some money from them, because all that money is gonna end up really adding up at the end of the year, and you're gonna look back and be so grateful for the things that you now don't have in your house that are taking up space, and for the extra money you got. So I am done with work, like agency work for the day, and I was just looking at my personal email, and I decided to invest in myself and work with a graphic designer to help upgrade and enhance the look of my slide decks, because I'm a public speaker and I have one really big speaking gig coming up in the beginning of April, which I'm so excited about. And so I was like, I want to just invest in working with a designer to help just take things up a notch. And she just sent me 3 options for like the look and feel of the slides, and I am freaking out, you guys. They're so good. All 3 of them are honestly amazing. I'm not going to show you them because I'm not going to let you steal her creative ideas, but holy hell, Sarah is so talented. This is unbelievable. I am so excited. I have one that I like the most and that I think is very suiting to my brand, my personality, but I'm gonna show them to Matt later tonight and get his opinion and then email her back.
I'm just so excited.
Went through the designs with Matt, and now I am emailing back the graphic designer and letting her know that option number 2 is the one we're gonna go with. I'm obsessed with it. I would not have been able to like dream up what she put together. I'm so excited, and I'm sending her the final slide deck. Just hit send. Matt finished making dinner. Look how good that looks. Green beans, peppers, carrots, zucchini. Such a good sauce. Should I throw cashews on top?
Yeah.
Gonna throw some cashews on top. I'm gonna put some fresh cilantro in, a little green onion, the final fixings. My battery is about to die, but first bite of noodles. Oh my god, it's so good. Matt used to make this all the time, and then we just went a while without it. Partially because of the effort that it takes to make, and also partially because it was like the summer and we didn't want hot noodles, but oh my gosh. It's so good.
In summer, it's like we also didn't have it all fall and winter. I think it's March.
Oh my god, that workout was so good. Just did a 500 rep ab challenge. Abs are popping. that felt amazing. Now I need to hop into a very quick shower because it is 7:30 and I need to head out to the dentist. So busy Thursday today because I've got to go to the dentist. Then I have a call with my consulting client, super quick, to just kind of go over a few things. Then I've got work, gonna be diving into agency work all day. And then this evening later, I have another call with my consulting client. I wanna finish packing for San Diego. And yeah, I've got an errand that I need to run tomorrow after work. Tomorrow is Friday and I need to go to the post office to ship out that Poshmark order. And I need to go to Trader Joe's because I am doing a brand collaboration with Reed's Mule. So I need to go to Trader Joe's to buy the Reed's Mule drink, bring it home, film some content and stuff like that. I really wanna get that done tomorrow because I have other branded content, brand deal stuff that I have to do when I get back from San Diego. It's the plan. It's gonna be a busy one. I was thinking I was gonna bring the vlog with me to the dentist and all that kind of stuff, but it's gonna be way too hectic, way too busy. So I will check in with you guys a little later today. So I meant to take a little clip of me doing work on the couch, just get a little one for B-roll, and I fell into a rabbit hole and just took like a 30-minute clip on my camera. So I just scrapped that, just deleted that, because even the thought of dragging that into the editing software right now is like, oh my God, that's not doing that. Today has been insane. It is 5:30. Last I talked to you guys, it was like 7:30 in the morning. I did all the things today. Went to the dentist, had calls, have done so much agency work, making graphics, sending emails, checking in with people, scheduling content for a live show that my boss has tomorrow. It has been a crazy, crazy day. Gouda really wants to go take a walk. He has been ringing the bell. Right, sir? I just mentioned your name. Yeah, you really want me to take you? So I'm gonna go take him out because he's been patiently waiting for me to do that. And Matt and I are gonna have some Asian noodle leftovers for dinner. And I am looking forward to having a chill night with Matt on the couch. I'm gonna spend very little time on my phone. I'm not gonna vlog it or anything because I just need some tech-free time before heading to San Diego. So I will pick the vlog back up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be another crazy day, but there are a few things that I definitely wanna bring you guys along for. So I'll pick it back up tomorrow. Is Friday and I go to San Diego tomorrow, which is just crazy. This week has flown by. I have a number of things I need to get done today. I've got work until noon. Then I think I have a board call for the University of Buffalo board from 12 to 12:30. And then I need to go out and run some errands. I need to go to Trader Joe's, get some product for a paid campaign that I'm doing, and then film the content when I get home. So that means that I actually want to probably do like my hair and makeup and get fully ready today. Yeah, definitely gonna do that. Also wanna get in a hard workout since I'm going to San Diego tomorrow, and honestly, I'm probably not gonna work out the entire time I'm in San Diego, or maybe just work out a little bit at the gym in the hotel. So I need to finish packing. I need to reorganize my bags to figure out what is the right way to like pack everything. I'm feeling but that's okay. I wanted to check in with you guys now because I'm gonna bring you along as much as I can today, but it's gonna be a little bit of a scattered day, so we're just gonna get into it. Just did a short and sweet workout, really quick. I was planning on doing something a lot harder and a lot longer, and I'm just too anxious. I have way too much stuff to do today. So moving right along, gonna get showered, dive into more work, have all the calls, do all the things. I'll check back in with you guys later when I'm like finalizing all the packing. I just got off of my board call and now it is time for me to film this brand deal. So I am gonna prop you guys up somewhere here on the tripod, let you guys see a little bit of the behind the scenes. And then I need to finish packing. I've got a lot in the weekender bag here. This is the base weekender bag. This bottom pocket is incredible. It is a great place for shoes. I don't have anything in the bottom pocket of the bag yet, and I'm debating whether I'm gonna be putting my shoes in there. If I wanna put my shoes, I have to totally repack the bag. So I think I'm just gonna try and fit like my makeup and stuff like that. Oop, my camera battery is literally about to die. So I need to take the battery out. I need to charge the battery. Lots of things. I'll see you guys in a minute. Got my camera battery charging, my phone, got my little tripod, and I am gonna film this brand content. First, we gotta set up the shot. Reel is filmed, and now I am editing it.
Was it really fun?
Ha ha ha! Finally eating my first meal of the day, eating some leftover Matt's Famous noodles. We're figuring out what we're gonna get later for dinner. Early dinner, because we're going to bed early. I have to wake up at like 3 in the morning, and I don't do well with little sleep, so I'm gonna try and get like a real night's sleep tonight, despite waking up at 3. So, did the content, eating some food. I've got more packing and everything to do. So I am gonna end the vlog off here because I'm gonna pick it back up first thing tomorrow, heading to San Diego. I wanna be able to spend some uninterrupted time with Matt and Gouda, and it's just gonna be a whirlwind. The next 4 hours are gonna be me getting as much done, like organization stuff as possible. You know what, I will bring you guys to show you the final, I'm gonna do my final like suitcase item thing, because I really do think I'm gonna be able to fit everything easily in that bag. I don't think I'm gonna have any problems. That's what we're putting out into the world. So I need to pack my work laptop in my suitcase, as well as my charger. So I am gonna do that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in San Diego. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.